zero cell reception for more than 24 hours. My parents apparently were texting me and freaking out. But after my 15-mile hike in the Adirondack Mountains for my last video, I found myself completely off grid, disconnected from the world. I remember waking up in the middle of the night in my Toyota Corolla and looking out the window and seeing how bright the moon was. I mistook a star for the moon, which just shows you how bright it actually was. Smugglers Notch as a drone pilot seemed like paradise from afar, and it was the reason I drove to Vermont. Vermont's fall foliage, or autumn in Vermont, is the absolute best. There's so many areas to explore, little pull-offs with covered bridges, the old railroad stations covered with colored leaves. I just hope it didn't rain by the time I got to Smugglers Notch, Vermont.